Hi everyone. Today is day 2 of my 100-day journey to speak English on camera every single day. The goal is simple: speak more, grow more, and become more confident in English. Today I want to talk about something really helpful: 8 simple and powerful ways to learn a new language faster. Practice every day. Consistency is more important than perfection. You don't need to study for hours. Just 10 or 15 minutes every day can change everything over time. Keep the language fresh in your mind. 2. Speak out loud. Reading and listening are good, but speaking out loud is a key. Even if you're just reading a sentence from a book or repeating something from a video, or mouth and brain need to work together to build fluency. 3. Watch movies, series, or YouTube. Pick something you enjoy, maybe a funny show, a vlog, or short movie. Try to write a few sentences every day. Put a short diary, a message to yourself on social media posts. 5. Use flashcards or apps like Anki